CCTV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat bakanet foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Hadin katto kanitayo balayo ban Plie ya ki artali ki Community and Rural Development Block batmai hapo ka West Khasi Hills District mentaga singi ka arpo tarik uno pra arjar arpoar ka West Khasi Hills District kalayo biang saya ka way ka C&Rd Block ka balatip rukum ka Shallang C&Rd Block ka Shallang C&Rd Block ka dairu ka block ka basan hapo ka district kaban ay jing syakri ya ki khandai pusantali ki shnong hagathain. Ya kene ka blok lawan ban Plie do Myntri Rangbah ka jela ukon rat ke sangma hagajing yalang kabalalong hapo madan songsak Shallang harengkat ka jingedon lang u MLA MDC ka Motion Road constituency uba gigur mertong ki officer sarkar ki pait ba bat ki way
Di kalong kai Kaba kongsan nagamta jongi ka nong Shallang kamtame namar balai kane kasnong Shallang kadon kisnong ki bajngai nangne hadu bandakin niat kijat lai kenta sau kenta nadu rengmau nadu nirang nadu goreng nadu kalu ten daga jingdon jongpi nisnyo singan hagane ka singi ka bakarpang tingai kuble ya pi karpang mentaga singi bapila pelapor banyadon bentalem hagane ka jing rake nak benta ban Plie hagane ka maunong rim jongga blok Shallang Sni kibangila lek nila ui ba hakane ka dong ka tanjungi kamdon kano ka development ka bangila ui ndre hakane ka south name stem jaga daga jingdon lang jonga bat ka sarkar MDA kam badu chief minister niyo i yaki ATA ki jingmentoy nak benta ka dong athan namar ka sarkar MDA kisim kya bha hagay bade banwanra yaki development ki ba pher kamdei kumki sarkar ki baladep ni pha ya ki nong mikmat nakane ka dong mathan la saupho sanpho snem ndre ka jingwara ya ka jingmentoy nim jio I hadu katata ndre hakane ka kemti ni ai ka jingyaro ni ai ka jing kuble ya ka sarkar MDA namar ki la tresitom banwanra ya ka development ka ba pher hakane ka konsensi jongi di Nagaleng juga kumu lokal MLA ngai kuble kerpang yau chief minister bat deputy chief minister Rangbah jongga jing tresitom jongki kini ki ATA baru khoi ngila urlong lemda kimdon lang maki kemut Nagaleng jongaru ngatharai ngamla banyo ya kini ki ATA kibangi yo menta hakane ka konsensi jongi
best in his new task that he has in front of him, and my only advice to him would be that while you are here to work and perform as the block development officer, remember that you are not doing your duty out here, but you are here to serve the people of this area. Do it with passion. Do it with a vision that you are being able to make a difference in the people's lives. One smile from you can change the future of the people sitting in front of you. Always be kind, always smile, and always work, not thinking that this is your duty, but thinking that you are getting an opportunity to help the poorest of the poor people in our state, and that God has given you this opportunity to make a difference in the people's lives. If we all work with this passion, if we all work with this purpose, I'm sure that we will be able to take our state forward. We will be able to make the difference in the lives of the people who we are all here to serve for. So I wish our BDO the very best. I wish our MLA the very best. And I wish each and every one of you the very best for today's program and for your future. May God bless each and every one of you. May God bless the new Shallang block, and may God bless our Motion Road constituency and our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shibun, Matela, and Jai Hind.